Not yet can see.
How about now?
Now okay, now very good. So go ahead, Zen. Yeah.
Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you had a good break. Taken your coffee or tea? Yeah? Okay. Right, now I start my second session. Let me just part 2. Just a very quick recap of this morning. Hang on. Okay, so this morning I went through the what's happening in the business community, and I have also explained a lot of mistakes were made. Some is because of the peculiar way our GST regulations is set up. We have things like block input tax lah, dim supply lah. We have such thing that's called imported services. Most countries will not have such items, but in Malaysia, yes, we do have. So these are peculiar regulations in our GST requirement that causes some of the businesses to make mistakes. But there are also some which are, like mistakes just not used to doing the GST accounting, so therefore they make mistakes like overclaiming, not having proper documentations. I think these are basically the bad habits of the business community, lack of supporting documents, yeah. Especially when it comes to imports, when it comes to trading of goods and services. Yes, most of the time we don't have the habit of keeping the proper documents, or the supplier is late to give us the documents and we don't bother to chase them for it. Yeah? So therefore, it's mistakes. And I've also highlighted in the last 10 minutes of the session about the penalties for non-compliance. So these are very serious money that is the government is going to collect from us for making mistakes, for blatant disregard of the act, for not complying to the GST requirements. Okay, so just take note, don't simply do your accounting and cross your fingers that nothing will happen. They are coming up with a lot of auditors. They are recruiting a lot. They have already recruited 1,005 of them in Klang Valley just to do the tax audit. So therefore, when after you listen to my session, I hope you go back to your accounts department and go through a thorough review of your accounting records and see whether, have you made any mistakes. Better go and rectify now before it's too late, before they come to you. Okay? So all these penalties, they are serious. We have had a handful of cases where the clients have to pay for the penalty. Of course, it's so far, touch wood, the penalties are not that hefty. It's just a few thousand here and there, but you never know. Okay, you never know. So some updates on the changes to the GST requirements since 1st April. 1st April 2015 was the date that GST was implemented. And since then, there have been numerous